Hello! Are you ready to read? This book is called Scottish Fold Cats. That means they're a special kind of cat. This cat, what kind is it? It's a special kind called Scottish Fold. It's a special cat. What is this? You know, it's the big list called Table of Contents. The table of contents, it shows the different subjects in the book. This cat lives where? On the farm. This cat is very special. Why? Because the ears stick straight up? Nope, they're folded. Just like this last picture. See? Oh, notice the ears? They're folded. It's a special cat. Oh, it's cute. This kitten, when it was born, the ears stuck straight up, and then they waited for 21 days, and then the ears started to fold. This special cat has a face that's round, not triangle, not square, it's round. Also, its eyes, B-I-G, they're big. Their eyes are big and round, just like their face. These special cats love to be brushed. On their fur, you can brush it and brush their face because you want it to be soft. If it's messed up, you can brush it down so it's soft and smooth. It's also different color fur too. Some are black and white, some are orange and white, some are tan or gray. They can be different colors. What do these special cats do? Meow, meow. Why? When they're hungry, when they want food, these special cats, look at what it's doing. It's silly. It's not sitting up nicely or laying nicely. It's in a weird position. It's sitting funny. These cats, do you think we should leave them and ignore them? Nope. These cats want to be picked up and pet. Oh, sweet cat, I love you. The cats like that. These special cats also like teasing and playing games. They like that. They also like to come sit on your lap. Come sit next to you so you can pet them. Oh, these cats. Do you think they're scared of dogs? Ah! Nope, they like dogs. Dogs and the cats are friends. Just like cats like boys and girls. It's a good kitty. It's very nice and loves to be held and hugged. The end.